Good morning, dear investors and viewers. Ridhvej Finance presenting Vedant Fashion IPO 2021. Yes, absolutely. Everybody knows the Manyavar and Mohe, their brand names. Yes, absolutely. Dear viewers, we have given a last week about the IPO review of Adani. Apart from that, we have given the first IPO, that is AGS Trans. So their AGS is the ATM service provider company. We have uploaded the GMP detail. You can check out with that. Apart from that, Vedant Fashion, we are going to talk about over here. Vedant Fashion, what they doing basically. So what exactly they do, Vedant Fashion, and apart from that, what and how they have established in a very short time. This is one of the fastest growing company. They are having a group of companies: Modi Fee Investment Service Private Limited, previously known as a Dynamic Storage and Retrieval System Private Limited, where Shenayaha Retail Store Private Limited and Mohe Fashion Private Limited is the company name. Their promoters are having the holdings over other entities like Modi Fiduciary Service Private Limited, Navin Marketing Private Limited, Daru Wincom Private Limited, Modi Fi Investment Service Private Limited. Apart from that, Sneyaha Retail Store Private Limited, Third Layer Retail Private Limited, Usra James and Jewelry Private Limited, Shagun Vyapar Private Limited, Vandana Enterprise, K. Kasida, Mohe Fashion Private Limited, Praniti Fashion, Shri Kanak Transport, M/S Pawan Tikmani, the Hindu Undivided Family Forming Promoter Group, that is called nowadays HUF. So here there are three HUF: Ravi Modi HUF, Piyush Pansari HUF, and Pratik Tikmani HUF are there. So apart from that, this company basically, what exactly, in the year of 2011 they have set up first overseas EBO in United Arab Emirates, and 30th September 2022 had 11 EBOs overseas jurisdictions, with 5 in United Arab Emirates, 5 United States of America, and 1 in Canada, with aggregate overseas retail store space over 23,200 square feet. They have a plan to continue expand their presence in overseas market with considerably Indian diaspora such as United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Their franchises own EBO design in manners of combine aesthetic appeal with the modern touch, thereby providing enhanced and elevated customer experience. In financial year 2021, more than 60% franchises owned EBO flagship stores based on the size of retail space. On September 30th, 2021, they had 132 flagship stores in 22 states across 53 cities in India and 3 overseas. On 30th September, they have a 740 employee, where they have given a medical and accidental insurance for employees. Also introduce wellness and physical health programs for these financial year 2019, 2020, and 2021, and 6 month ended September 30, 2020 and 2021. Our employee benefited were rupees 472.13 million, rupees 532.96 million, and rupees 381.07 million, rupees 171.31 million, and rupees 230.32 million respectively, constituting 5.90%, 5.82%, 6.75%, 23.89%, and 6.40% for our revenue from operations respectively. So if you see their Indian wedding and celebrations were market basically dominated by, there are number of companies. VFL means Vedant Fashion, and in financial year 2017 it is operating income is 5,972, where financial year 9,182, and then financial year for 21 is 5,652.1, where financial year 1,737. It's in a million, okay? Everything is in a million. It's not just 10,000 rupees. Okay, OPBDIT financial year rupees in millions is 3,966. Where if you see their PAT, it's basically they have given profit after the tax. Okay, so it is again also in million. For financial year 2021 is 2,434.6, where financial year 17 1,060 million, where 2,366 in the year of financial year 20, where financial year 2021 they have given 1,329. With respect to their competitor NSSPL, RPL, NEPL, and JPCL. Okay, apart from that, if you see this company basically given the lot of presence in other than in India. Means like they have retail chain model, and in that case their competitor brand players are their brands such as Mohe, Mebaz by VFL, and Nalli is their competitors. Nalli, Neeru, Sabyasachi is ruling roost. Basically the celebration of higher end casual menswear, they are having a strong over there. VFL is nothing but Vedant Fashion. Okay, their brand name is Manyavar, and in that case if you see the retail, they has wear via Ethnix, the brand assist and stage of Manyavar brand. VFL namely Twameva and Manthan also emerging in Indian wedding and celebrations. So their brand names they have more focused over here. And if you see Indian wedding, they basically gives this as a, they have captured the celebrations of Indian festivals. And yes, wedding in India, people only dream about the wedding over in the whole life, apart from that career or anything. So Indian crazy people do crazy way wedding, putting a lot of money over there, and that's the reason the brand has get a lot of popularity over there. So anyways, EBO of shop in shop model is available with this company also, and the retail space is 1.1 million square feet during financial year 2021. They have the stores around 530 and eight international presence. It has 205 cities in India. So they have given the total, means even suppose any shopkeeper is there, he can brought some material from this brand and he is selling. So it's kind of, we can say, channel sales, or as like the person who's selling as their one of the brand, but he can also present other brands also. So it's like the shop in shop brand model is there. Okay, for it, this is a retail, so that's the reason. Otherwise we will see the channel sales model or B2B model, it's like that. The multi-channel network and introducing brand and identify the gaps and undeserved and a high growth of Indian wedding and celebration wear category. Manyavar is the flagship of VFL, operates the mains Indian wedding celebration with the mid-premium segment. Manyavar category leader brand Indian wedding and celebration wear market Indian wedding presence calendar 2020 and available Mohe emerging VFL. Okay, VF Mohe, actually there is another company, but this is the name of Mohe Manyavar. So Manyavar is a Vedant Fashion Limited and Mohe is also their brand. Okay, so they are having Twameva, Manthan and Mehbaz is it's so okay. Apart from that, they have given means they have focused over a lot of ethnic wear, and if you see the ad also shows like that. So they have given some sort of what exactly in 2018 they are having a little little less stores, that is 481, and they are having occupy that much of space to sell their products. It's like it's like it's like they have given the rental kind of thing also, because franchises doesn't come up with this. Okay, they, apart from that, 381 EBOs, 595 are has been now operated for women's apparel. Yeah, they are having a women's apparel segment also, other than the men's brand. Okay, anyways, we are going to talk about the company detail of Vedant Fashion Limited. Dear viewers, Vedant Fashion Limited has started in the year Vedant Fashion Private Limited started in West Bengal, Kolkata, on 24th May 2002, around 2 decades back, we can say over here. And yes, this company has changed their name from Vedant Fashion Private Limited to Vedant Fashion Limited. So in that case, they have registered over Paridhan Garment Park, 19 Canal South Road, SDF 1, 4th floor, A 501 and 502, Kolkata, 70015, West Bengal. And for further information, please log on to Vedant. Hold on. Vedant Fashions Co. So dear viewers, vedantfashion.com, it's sorry, because no, and there is another one is also there, actually another another name is that manyavar.com is also available. So if you are interested to buy something, you can buy it over that. Apart from that, we are going to talk about their footprints into the market. So in that case, 2010 inaugurated 100th EBO at Santa Cruz, Mumbai, Maharashtra. 2011 launches first international store in Dubai. Apart from that, 2012 200 EBO crossed rupees 1000 million EBO revenue. 2013 inaugurated 300 EBO Quest Mall, Kolkata, West Bengal. EBO 100 cities collaborations with Kolkata Knight Rider, Delhi Daredevils, Sunrise Hyderabad of their official Indian wear partners, and Indian Premier League. 2014 inauguration of 333 EBO's Lord Parel Mumbai, Maharashtra collaboration with Hero India Super League as associate sponsor. 2015 inauguration of 400 EBOs, Hazrat Thanj, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. A launch of women's celebration wear label Mohe. 2016 launch first store in USA, New Jersey, cross 5,000 rupees million in EBO revenue. 2017 strategic acquisition brand Maybaz, the new Meena Bazaar International Private Limited investment in Kedara Capital AIF 1 Reen Holding Limited. 2018 collaboration with Rajasthan Royal and Kings 11 Punjab for their official sponsor at Indian Premier League refresh launch our value celebration wearing label Manthan. 2019 inauguration of 600 stores in Mysore, Karnataka. Premium menswear brand Twameva cross 10,000 million EBO revenue, cross 1 million square feet EBO presence. 2020 launch Manyavar mobile application, and 2021 partnership with Feminist India. 2021 celebration where partner collaboration with ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021 ICC official partner. So this is all about the partnership which they have elaborated over here. And yes, absolutely, Indian ethnic wear, Indian population, both are increasing, and the brands will also increase, guys. Wait and watch. Have a great day. If we have missed out anything from this IPO, we will put it into the description. Vedant Fashion Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date 4th Feb 2022. IPO closing date 8th Feb 2022. Issue type book build. Issue IPO for face value 1 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between 824 to 866 rupees per equity share. Minimum order quantity 17 share, and listing at BSE and NSE, where basis of allotment date will be 11th Feb 2022. Initiation of refund will happen on 14th Feb 2022. Credit of shares to your demat account 15th Feb 2022, and 16th Feb 2022 is the listing date of IPO. The promoters of the company is Mr. Ravi Modi, Shilpi Modi, Ravi Modi Family Trust, acting through the trustee Modi Fiduciary Service Private Limited. Okay, so this is all about IPO detail. Subscription prediction for Vedant Fashion Limited IPO 2022. We are expecting at least this IPO show magic, hopefully, because now people has not invested or not shows the interest over here, as we can see in the last 2 IPOs. Means already 1 IPOs into the market which has not yet closed, but hopefully. Anyways, so we are expecting Vedant Fashion Limited show some magic, and it can give minimum at least 55% to maximum 110% subscription prediction we are expecting. Dear viewers, Vedant Finance has started since 2022 giving ratings to the companies or their IPOs according to their strategies. So here in this Vedant Fashion Limited IPO 2022, we are giving the rating out of 5, it is 2.3. Overall, we have given this rating to this IPO. Thank you. Bye, Vedant Finance. Have a great